Good morning to you. Well, it certainly looks as though we're heading for a bit of a change with our weather. It's been relatively quiet over the last few days, hasn't it? But this weather front has been desperately trying to push in, and it will do so. And it is going to bring more cloud and some patchy rain as it sinks southeast. Behind it, it introduced something a little cleaner, more sunshine around, but unfortunately cooler as well. But for many of us today, it is going to be a cloudy and a rather damp start across the country. We'll also have some patchy mist and fog as well first thing in the morning. The cloud and the rain sits across Scotland and Northern Ireland. There'll be some heavier pulses in that from time to time, but further south under those cloudy skies, a little bit of patchy mist and fog forming, but an incredibly mild start to our Tuesday. Those temperatures sitting between 7 and 10 degrees at 5 o'clock in the morning. So we start off then on this grey note once again. The cloud and the rain sits across those west-facing coasts, moving out of Northern Ireland and Scotland, and gradually drifts steadily south and east throughout the day. Behind it, more sunshine to come for Northern Ireland and Scotland, but it will stay rather grey and damp into the southwest and for much of Wales. Cloudier skies getting a little cooler. That rain sits through the Isle of Wight, stretching up through the Midlands, perhaps not reaching the London area until the end of the day. Behind it, some brightness across the Lake District into the north of England for Northern Ireland and for Scotland. A little bit colder, but with the sunshine, hopefully this will help to compensate just a little. We'll have some rain moving across the Northern Isles here, and that will tend to linger throughout much of the day. So that's the scenario for Tuesday afternoon. Through the night, Tuesday, that rain really slow to clear away from the southeast corner. Behind it, under clearer skies, we'll have some patchy mist, fog and maybe a touch of frost forming as well. Look at the difference, 7 to 9 degrees with the front in the southeast, 2 to 3 generally across the far north. So it's going to be a chilly start, a foggy and frosty one across many areas. That cloud and damp rain will just linger in the southeast for quite some time, but eventually starts to ease away. Maybe pockets of fog will linger to the tops of higher ground as well. But generally speaking, around 5 to 10 degrees with a little more sunshine than we've seen of late. Now the high pressure tries to hang on in there, but it is being pestered out from the west by another front that's slowly but surely moving in during Thursday. There's some uncertainty to the timings of this, but it does look as though we will see more wet weather for the end of the week, something cooler but sunnier from Saturday onwards. That's it. Take care.